Hello everyone, welcome back to WowLessons. In today's video, we will explore the difference between each and every. Each and every is a basic grammar problem even for native speakers. At first glance, each and every are very identical, but there are notable distinctions of meaning and usage which we are going to discover in this video. But before we get on with the lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's get started. We use each to refer to a singular things in a group or a list of two or more things, usually applicable for a small number. Each can also be an indefinite pronoun substituting a noun. Indefinite pronoun indicate to a non-specific person or things. For instance, each of you is special. Each of the village has a pros and cons. Each of the employees received a bonus. Each of us has a bike. Now moving on to every, we use every to refer to all the members of a group of three or more, usually applicable for a large number. Every is always followed by a noun and used to generalize things. For example, every morning Ahab goes to school. Every kid is sensitive. Sandeep has fixed every door. Tips to remember. Keep in mind that we don't use determiner with each and every. For example, we don't use every for two things. To describe two things, you can use each. For instance, she was carrying water in each hand. We usually employ every to explain how often something happens, such as every week, every month, every year, etc. For instance, Gautam goes to the farm every Sunday. They go to India every year. Buses leave every hour. I go to my hometown every month. Most of the time, we can use each and every interchangeably, such as each or every time I see you, you look smart. There is a refrigerator in each or every room at the resort. Now, let's go through a few more examples and see if we can find out the proper usage. Pause the video if you need to. And here we go. Every book has an ending. This newspaper is published every day. Almost every bike in the parking was new. Each of us has a car. I go to the gym thrice every week. There are 2 bedrooms along each hall. I hope you learned the difference between each and every after this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Goodbye.